So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on F on your keyboard. You want to look for function discovery resource publication. There are two function discoveries. Make sure you go to the correct one. It's called function discovery resource publication. So you want to double click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to change the startup type to automatic delayed start, but keep the service status on stopped. Make sure that it's on stopped and change the startup type to automatic delayed start and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on advanced options. And then you want to scroll down again and then click on delivery optimization. And now you want to make sure that you have allow downloads from other PCs turned off. So you want to turn off allow downloads from other PCs. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. Then you want to type in wsreset.exe. Click on enter. If the Microsoft Store comes up, you want to close it. And now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Now once you restart your computer, if the problem is still not fixed, this is the final method and last resort. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in component services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand component services. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the computers folder under it. And now my computer should appear. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. And then you want to click on default properties. And then once you're on this, you want to untick enable DistributedCOM on this computer and then click on OK. You're going to be getting this message right here. You're about to modify machine-wide DCOM settings which will affect all the applications in this machine. So some of your applications might not be working correctly. So that's why I put this as the last method just in case, as a last resort. So if you're fine with taking this risk, then you want to click on yes. And then you want to see how your computer is responding. If it's not working properly, then you want to enable it again. So you want to right click on my computer, click on properties, default properties, and then you want to enable it again. And then click on yes. See if this fixes your problem.